from Arduino board, you are already observed the parts of the Arduino board. We will explain each function of that particular point. Digital pins. In the Arduino board, it has 14 digital pins labeled from 0 to 13. 0 to 13, these are treated as the digital pin. They are mentioned 0 to 13. To each acts as a input as well as the output. Important diagrams for the Arduino board. Another important pins are PWM, pulse width modulation. Pins are available. There are digital pin 11, 10, 9 and 6, 5, 3 are the PWM, pulse width modulations. These are analog information you have to be sent as well as receiving. All these are acts as input as well as the output. Another important pins are data to be transmitted to outside world as well as receive the data from the outside world. We are using transmitting as well as receiving pins. Digital 0 and 1 to stands for transmit and receiver. 0 for transmit and 1 for receiving. So likewise they are mentioned the function of each pins. And another important point for this board is LED attached to the LED board for digital pin number 13. For the operation, output can be observed whether it is right or wrong, or temperature is high, temperature is low, so humidity is low, humidity is high. So many experiments will take place we are conducting with the help of board. So this LED attached to LED board, it is also one of the important point in Arduino board. And analog pins, it is provided the operating voltage 3.3 volts to 5 volts, which is relay interface. You can communicate or conduct the analog experiments. That's why they are providing this type of pin. And another important pin is in the Arduino board, reset button. Reset button means whatever the programs is executing, after that you want to bring into the zero position or original position, you have to reset all the programs and start from the right from beginning. Then we are using the reset button in Arduino. Then USB jack. USB jack is if you want to load, store and forward the informations to the board, we are using USB jack pin. Upload the program. It is the major function of USB jack. And another important point is power jack. Power jack is connected to the electronic components to be connected to the power. External connection you can connect it either LED or LCD, whatever the electrical devices that will be taking the power from this pin number, that is known as power jack. And sensor is there. Sensor is also there in the board. That is the control the movement and monitoring the devices and other moments. They are arranged the motion sensor, and similarly so many sensors they are adapted. Humidity sensor to measure the humidity. So these all the informations are gathered. These are all the pins are available in Arduino board. Each pin has its own functionality. So people are prepared this type of board. It is easy to available, easy to access, open source software as well as the hardware. So these are the most important points to select the Arduino UNO board. Hence the peoples, our customers, our students are prepared this type of board.